15 easy ways to make money quickly. Both online and offline, there are more opportunities than ever before to earn extra money. That's excellent, but it can be difficult to decide where to put your time. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 15 easy ways of making money quickly. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Use this list to learn new ways to work from home and earn money online. Earn money while you walk, recycle, review music, or even just browse the web. The better way to start earning extra money right now are as follows. Online paid surveys. Online surveys are a well-liked technique for people to earn money in their leisure time. To participate in surveys and test new products, research organizations are constantly looking for additional participants globally. You can easily earn a couple of pounds for a few minutes of form filling, which is given as cash or prizes. Branded surveys, swag bucks, Taluna, Pinecone, Life Points, I Say, Opinion Outpost, YouGov, Prize Rebel, Market Agent, Inbox Pounds, Valued Opinions, The Opinion Panel, Mingle, Opinion Bureau, Maru Voice, Panel Base, Why Live, and Survey Junkie are a few worthwhile options to consider. Searching the web. Are you curious in how to quickly monetize the online activities you already engage in? One of the simplest ways to earn money online has to be this. Searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay will earn you prizes on QMe.com. Sponsored results will appear alongside your regular search results when you install a quick browser extension. Cash rewards are associated with each QMe result. Simply click on it if you are interested to claim your prize. You can also finish surveys to increase your income. The fact that there is no minimum for cashing out is the best. Our first transaction cost us only £72 to send out our PayPal account. Additionally, you have the choice to give it to a good cause. Online market trading. Though it's not always simple to generate money, investing in the stock market can be profitable if you know how to do it right. Likewise, if you don't take it seriously, you can sustain severe losses. Funding stock traders' yachts in the style of Wolf of Wall Street is no longer necessary. With the aid of internet market trading systems, you can handle everything yourself. I've spent a lot of time on the well-known website eToro.com investigating this new potential. Over 20 million people use eToro worldwide, and it provides free practice accounts. They sponsored several Premier League football teams and were featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders, Millions by the Minute. The copy trader function on eToro is among its best features. This enables you to view, track, and duplicate the investments made by other top traders. Start your own website. Are you looking to make passive income? A website is required. It's a means of earning money while you're asleep. An 82-year-old person can launch a website using Bluehost in under 20 minutes for very little money. To obtain your initial visitors, all it takes is a little social media promotion, and there are many ways to monetize your website. A successful website is many things. Save the Student is simply one. Owen Burek founded it while still a student, and it now has more than 1 million visitors per month. Review websites and apps. You certainly seem to be rather adept at using a web browser. So perhaps it's time to go pro and start earning money while having fun browsing websites. Let me introduce you to User Testing, a platform that pays regular people to evaluate various websites. Each evaluation takes about 20 minutes, and you receive $10 or £6.50 via PayPal. Affiliate marketing. You can start earning money right away by marketing all different types of businesses, products, services, and deals online if you have a following on social media or a website. Become a publisher on the AWIN network by signing up. To find something you believe your audience might be interested in, check out their offering blog or the merchant listings. After that, copy and share your affiliate links. You will receive a large commission if a customer purchased through your link. Become a click worker. The idea behind clickworker.com is based on internet crowdsourcing, in which companies post advertisements for the completion of specific time-sensitive activities. And for us, it's a simple approach to generate income quickly from home. There are many different duties, but the one that involves mindless data entry, web research, or form filling are the most prevalent. The work you want to complete will be compensated in cash through PayPal. Gigs on Fiverr. The leading marketplace for people to sell tiny services, often referred to as gigs, and earn money is called Fiverr. anything could be included in what you offer, from writing and translating, to publishing on social media, pulling practical jokes, and instructing, to making music, voiceovers, and little videos for viewers around the globe. $5 is the standard pricing, hence the name Fiverr, but you can add other services to gigs for a fee. There are thousands of people making a very decent income off the site, and earnings may pile up quickly. The idea is to set up a strategy that cuts down on the amount of time needed for each gig. Review music for money. Slice the Pie lets you review unsigned bands and musicians online for money if you want to turn your passion for music into a business. Some website users assert that they make £40 each month, not drastically altering your life, but if you enjoy it, it shouldn't be difficult. Although anyone can sign up and review, you will be rewarded in US dollars. Sell course notes. This is an excellent approach to make some additional money if you don't mind lending out your notes to other students. You can upload your writings to numerous websites. You get compensated when another student downloads them. You can list your notes for free on websites like Stuvia and Nexus Notes. They connect you with clients in exchange for a tiny percentage of any sales. You can submit handwritten notes, but typing them up is probably going to earn you more money. Sell secondhand textbooks. One clever strategy to get additional cash is to buy discounted textbooks from other students near the conclusion of the school year and then resell them right after Freshman's Week. The demand for them will be greater at this time because the incoming students are aware of their need for them. You have two options for marketing, on campus or on Amazon Marketplace. They do take a commission on books sold. Watch videos. One of the simplest methods to make money has to be getting paid to watch videos online if making videos sounds like heavy work. Websites like We Are 8, Swagbucks, and Inbox Pounds are the most well-known. They actually pay you to watch films and advertisements in the hopes that they will become viral. Create YouTube videos. Latest data shows that we now view more YouTube videos than we do Google searches. Additionally, you can make money from creating and sharing videos through the YouTube Partner Program. Per 1,000 views, a portion of the advertising earnings will be yours. You can earn a lot of money depending on your success, virality, watch time, subscriber base, and topic. Every week, there are numerous instances of YouTubers who have made it their career. Sell your clothes. eBay has long been popular when it comes to purging your clothing for cash. A surefire approach to sell that sleeveless jacket for real money is through online auctions. Numerous more secondhand marketplaces such as the applications Depop and Vinted make it even simpler to sell your old clothing online. Buy and sell domain names. There are numerous extensions for a domain name, which is just a website address such as savethestudent.org or mysite.co.uk, .com, .net, .co.uk, etc. With GoDaddy.com, they may be registered for as little as £4 or even no cost with Bluehost plans. Premium domain names, however, can sell for thousands or even millions of dollars. VacationRentals.com was sold for a good $35 million in 2007. Although you won't find anything similar today, a little bit of research could still help you make a quick profit. Finding accessible domain names with some commercial worth is the trick. Grab them and put them up for sale on a website like sudo.com after that. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.